What are we doing? Running around in the snow? So, man, we're busy. There you go. Yeah. You gonna run off? I mean, we like this snow. He's gonna go all the way over to his house and eat his bone. Look at that. Even in the snow. JJ, you got icicles on your mouth. Oh my God! Look at this dog. He's got his whiskers have ice on them. How long have you been outside? Whew. How you doing over here, babe?
Not bad. I'm gonna quit.
Are you gonna quit?
Well, because my hands are cold. I got the worst.
Wow, you done good.
Yeah.
Look at our truck. I think the dogs like the snow. Yes, JJ, there's a ditch there. Okay.
I'll probably have to shovel around it again, but that's okay. It's easy.
All right, let me get the broom. Well, at least the wind stopped blowing. So, man, we're happy. We're having a good time.
My fingers are cold. I'm going to get my fingers cold.
Hey, now. Oop.
Yeah, I could tell a bit. Wipe my nose.
Isn't it fun? It's fun in the snow, huh, Yogi? Look at all the stuff you guys have.
Casey went outside, Jay. She didn't care.
Yeah. Whew. All right, let me get the broom.
Yeah, just put the truck off on me. I'll get everything out.
All right. Whoop.
Well, that's a good idea.
I'll use this thing. It'll be just like we're washing the truck. Yeah. You guys having a good time running around?
No, well, it's not like they own the house. They can have a good time. They don't have any responsibility. Jay, I can't get this open.
Yeah, we're having a good time today. I know. It's kind of cool looking. It's like icing on a cake. Yeah. Well, it's easier on the paint this way. I know, it's hard going through that snow. Don't get all winded. JJ leave?
I don't know. Yeah.
Man, that's something, isn't it?
Yep.
This is what we do up here. All right.